next technique we're going to work on is the scorpion kick. So I've been doing martial arts for over 30 years, and I'm continuing to learn. So this technique comes from a Filipino kickboxing style called Yaw-Yan. So in capoeira we have sort of a scorpion kick. It's a lot different, you're going more straight over. So when I saw this technique, I was very interested in it. So I went on a deep dive and I found out as much information as I could, and I've been practicing this technique a lot. I'll try to show you the way I understand the traditional form to be, and I will also show you different variations that I've thrown in this technique. The most interesting part to me of this movement is you're actually stepping through. You're entering in on your opponent and then throwing it. It's very deceiving. Stepping in, and I'll show you in a combat situation how to get there. Stepping in and throwing it backwards like a scorpion kick, like a mule kick, straight back. Okay? Straight back. We have to have a game plan if we miss. I can't just miss the kick and then I'm faced that way with my back to my opponent. So again, here we are. We're stepping through, we're entering in. We're here. There's a little bit of a turn. Okay? Here, spotting over my shoulder. Here, and I have to recover. So, how do we enter in to get there? Down away, I'm stepping in, turning, over that shoulder, back, recover. Say I slip, miss a technique, or weave, slip, and I'm stepping outside their front foot. Turning over my shoulder, spotting, backwards, recovering. Again, with this technique, this is kind of my own tweak on it. I've been working on this a lot and I will continue to work on this. You throw a hook, your opponent slips or weaves and gets behind you. Well, that's the perfect scenario for this movement.